Hello! Welcome back for another bullet journal setup. We are entering into November and I can't believe it's the second to last month of the year already. 2020 has truly flown by and I think it's always important to take a break every so often. I decided to do a rather relaxed setup this month by integrating stickers that my friend sent me. I was really surprised when I received the package in the mail, but she sent it as a late birthday present because my birthday was around the time that quarantine started. She sent me washi tape, stickers, a Uniball Signo, sticky notes, and stamps. Aren't they so cute? She told me that she sent them in case I had a busy month and didn't have time to come up with a theme, so these were perfect for this month while I'm taking a break from YouTube. I decided to use the flower and corgi stickers and to keep to a brown, tan, and purple color scheme. I think my favorite sticker is this corgi with a latte. For the quote page, I decided to use a quote from the end of the video where 17 announced their most recent album, semicolon. The quote was, "Take a break, there's a long journey ahead of you." I love that it sends the message that taking a break and starting again is okay. YouTube was something where I pushed myself to upload more frequently, but then it started to feel like a job, and I lost my passion for art and video editing. I felt so busy that I didn't have time to relax and to take a break. But this message is really reassuring to me that breaks are okay and you can always start again on your journey. So since this month's theme was all about taking a break and doing a relaxed setup, I felt like this quote was very fitting. Also, while I've been taking a break from YouTube, I've been absolutely obsessed with 17. They are a K-pop group under Pledis, which is now part of the Big Hit family. The group has 13 members, and they write, produce, and even choreograph most of their own music. I definitely fell in love with them after watching their variety show, Going 17. If you think that BTS is chaotic, then I'd say 17 is almost twice as chaotic because they have about twice the number of members. They're incredibly funny, and I really encourage you to watch their variety show and to listen to their new album. On this album, outside of the title track Home Run, I would say my favorite songs are All My Love and Do Re Mi. I promise that if you listen to them that you won't regret it. Overall, this quote page was pretty simple with lettering the words break and journey. I also outlined and drew a drop shadow around the lettering. I decided to use the same lettering and outline for the name of the month on the cover. I definitely want to incorporate more lettering into my bullet journal, but I think I need to practice a bit more with spacing letters. To outline, I'm using a Faber-Castell Pitt artist pen, but it bleeds too much for my taste in outlining. I think part of it is from the paper though. I'm actually thinking about getting a different notebook for bullet journaling next year, so if you are a journal enthusiast and have recommendations for notebooks, then let me know. Anyway, I also made a mini calendar underneath the lettering for November, and then I just added brown and light purple washi tape and a corgi sticker to the bottom right corner of the cover page. For the monthly setup, I used the same uppercase font I used previously on the quote page to write the days of the week. Then I used a lighter brown Tombow to draw the boxes for the days. Like I said before, this month was about doing a setup that was simple and quick, so I opted to draw the boxes by hand without a ruler. It also gave a more personal touch to the spread by being hand-drawn. I added the lettering for November at the bottom of the page and used the same color to highlight the corners of the boxes and to write the days of the week. Then I added the outline and drop shadow for the lettering. To fill the empty space, I added the brown and purple washi tape to the right side of the page, as well as adding a flower sticker. I still haven't changed up my expense tracker, so I wrote the title in all caps and then highlighted the first line with brown before highlighting each line with my purple mild liner. I'm still debating whether or not I find this tracker useful or not because I do think it's good to track expenses, but I'm juggling the idea of moving my expense tracker to a digital tracker using something like Excel next year. I guess I have to decide kind of soon as 2021 is approaching very quickly, but for now, this will do. For the habit tracker, I drew it similar to the habit tracker I did for the month of September. I highlighted the name of the habit and then drew boxes for each of the days of the month. I'll probably fill in each box if I do the habit. The habit tracker is another spread that I'm thinking about changing up for next year, mostly for the fact that I think I'm tracking too many habits. I also think that I want to focus on maybe like 6 to 8 habits next year, but I want to look at my goals for next year and focus my habits around those goals. We'll see. How I use my bullet journal definitely changes over time though. I decided that I liked having a gratitude log, so I'm going to do that again this month. Again, it's super simple, but I just wrote a title and then added some washi tape to the corners of the page before finishing it off with some stickers. If I haven't said it already, I really love these corgi stickers. For the first weekly spread, I decided to write the days that the spread was covering as a title, but I wasn't happy with the fact that the words weren't centered on the page. To fix it, I decided to write the days again on another sheet of paper and to tape it into the journal with washi tape. I didn't record this, but I later went in with some double-sided tape to make sure that the title stayed in the journal. After, I just added some sections for the days of the week before decorating with washi tape and stickers. On the next weekly spread, I brought back my 2-week spreads because I found I wasn't filling up the space much in October. I drew all of the lines by hand before highlighting the boxes alternating between purple and brown. I don't know why, but I really like color combinations with a neutral color and then a pastel color lately. I wrote the days of the week and decided to use the last area as a notes section. Then it was just decorating with the washi tape and stickers again. I really like this corgi sticker. The corgi is mid-jump and looks so happy, and I love that the tongue is hanging out. The last weekly spread is pretty similar to the previous one in that it is really simple and has the alternating highlighting for the days. I again added a notes section with another corgi sticker. I've been thinking lately about trying to make my own stickers, but that also requires me to buy a printer, so I'll think about it. But let me know in the comments if you think I should try, and give me ideas in the comments on what type of stickers to draw. Alright friends, thank you for stopping by to watch me set up my bullet journal for November. Don't forget to take breaks every so often as we're all on our journeys towards our dreams. Take these pauses just to breathe and to laugh with your friends and family around you even during hard times. Much love, listen to 17, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!